What do you think are the top 5 most consumed Indian snacks that are namkeens?
Is Sev on the list?
Sev is on the list. I want you to guess which position because I know you're from
I'm
Bhopal.
from Madhya Pradesh and it should be number 1.
It's actually number 3.
Give me one more hint.
Gujarat. It's round.
Yeah, okay. Khakra.
Khakra is number 2.
Some South Indian snacks should be on the list at number
Yes.
5. Murukku.
Yes. Murukku is on number 1.
No.
Yes.
What else, man? Give me a hint.
It's a snack that is close to Sev.
Bhel is quite popular. I think Bhel should
Bhel is number 4.
be. Yeah. I just called
Number
home
5
then.
is also round.
Okay. Papad.
Papad is on number 5.
Yeah. Okay.